Hey guys, welcome to Outshine with us. My name is Ankita and we are going to start a new series of spoken English. As you know, English is very important in today's world because you can't be sitting at your home or in your village or in your hometown. So, if you want to explore the world, you have to get out. And even if you don't, there are certain places where English is the only language which you will find useful. Like your schools, colleges, examination hall, theaters, hospitals, airports, anywhere. And especially those states in which you have to work, because if you are a government employee, then you can be posted anywhere. So there are certain states in India, as you know, South India. So English is the only option as they have different local language which is not Hindi, right? So you have to know English also as better as you know Hindi. So we will not bore you. It will not be like a lecture or anything. So it will be more like an interesting situation we will create, like we are at an airport, right? So in this way we will create one situation, and according to that only I will teach you how to interact in those certain situation or circumstances. So once you are there, like I have told you how to interact at airport, like regarding your boarding pass or baggage tag, anything. So how to inquire with the guard who is standing there in English. So in this way English will come to you only without any thought or thinking. So nothing will be required from your side because you have watched the video. Then you will easily come to know how to speak those sentences which are required at that place. So we will meet in the next video. So don't miss any of the videos of this particular series, especially the youth, because they need to learn this language. This is the global language, you know. It is not just limited to our country or anything. Even if you go abroad anywhere in this world, you will find English as the medium in which you can easily survive anywhere. So don't miss out on these videos. Keep in touch. Till then, bye bye. Take care.